In order to verify your Facebook account, you just have to prepare your documents thoroughly. For personal accounts, you will need to gather a government issued identification document that clearly shows your name and photograph. Acceptable forms of ID include a driver's license, passport, or any other official document recognized by your local authorities. And if you're verifying a business page, it is essential to compile your business documents, which could include the articles of the incorporation, a business license, or a tax document. Along with this, make sure that you also include a valid form of identification that matches the business ownership. And you can submit your request effectively. Begin by visiting the Facebook verification form. This online form is crucial for initiating the verification process and can be easily accessed from the Help Center. Once on the website, tap on the Start Now button that is highlighted in the blue color in the top right corner. Click on Get Started again and choose your business. Now you have to select the industry. Either it is agriculture, banking and credit cards, e-commerce, education, gaming, or government. After select one of these options, tap on Create. Then after create your first ad on Facebook and set your goal. And choose to set up a campaign for your first ad. And then follow the on-screen instructions and do not forget to fill in all the required details accurately to avoid any delays in processing your request. After submitting your request, you will need to wait for Facebook to review your application, and this process can take anywhere from few days to several weeks depending on various factors including the volume of the request they are handling at that time, and Facebook will communicate with you regarding their decision through the email associated with your account. So keep an eye on your inbox for any updates. And before you submit your verification request, ensure that your profile or page is fully complete. This means having a well-written biography, high-quality profile pictures and cover photos, as well as collection of the posts that reflect the content and mission of your page. Make it a point to regularly share genuine and engaging content that resonates with your audience. This not only enhances your credibility but also increases the likelihood of successful verification by demonstrating an effective, active, and legitimate presence on the platform. So, this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.